Hello, everybody. This is Dan Sasser, just here to show you some of the new features in Claude Desktop. Something I really like now is instead of using Claude Code in the terminal, you can now use it directly here from desktop with all the same local file access that you have from the terminal version. So I'm going to go ahead and select my Claude folder here. I have kind of like a default folder that I use anytime I'm working with Claude. That way, all of his access starts from here. Let's have him go ahead and find your claude.md and tell me how you can use ollama-prompt. Ollama-prompt, y'all, if you don't know what that is, ollama-prompt is an AI to AI delegation tool that allows Claude and other terminal-based AI assistants to use ollama models to do token heavy and context heavy tasks like deep dive analysis for code base and stuff like that. If you noticed up here, we also have now the option to use Opus 4.5. That's something new that we'll get into in the next video. And I love the little forging thing he had there. Okay, so he knows how to use ollama-prompt now. So now I'm just going to direct him to analyze a certain file just to test that ollama-prompt. Give me just a minute while I find the file that I want him to analyze here. 1 second. Let me get into right here, copy this. There we go. Okay. Use ollama-prompt to analyze. Oh, I'm sorry. To analyze the latest in. Okay, right now I told it to use ollama-prompt to analyze one of the latest implementation plans I have in that directory. So now what it's going to do is search that directory, find the most recent. I have 5 of them in there, so let's see if it finds the most recent. Then it's going to send a prompt to an ollama model just like that right there, as you can see right there. And now it's waiting to get that response back. And then it's going to just only have to analyze that response instead of the whole code structure file itself. You know, it only has to go over this analysis instead of doing the analysis. This is kind of what saves tokens. Not kind of, this is what saves tokens. Pursuing, hurting. Oh, there it goes. There's our response. As you can see, we get a session ID, so we can continue a follow-up with the ollama model using the session ID. And there we go. Okay, well, there's a quick example of just how to have Claude use ollama-prompt. If you got it installed, I'll show you how to install that soon in the next video.